back with 3 more Aviator wallets. This time, never lose your wallet again with the new AirTag Holding Cash Clip. Is it good? And my own personal use favourite Aviator wallet. First up, in chronological order, the most minimal and affordable Aviator wallet. This is the classic Aviator Minimalist Wallet and Cash Clip. For disclosure, all wallets seen today were sent to me for free for review, and I secured a 10% discount code for you, active at the time of making the video and in the description below. If you use the code or affiliate link, I earn a small amount to help support the channel. This colour is Imola Red. The scratch-resistant finish plates are a premium, pure airplane aluminium. I can barely feel the weight of the wallet. All Aviator wallets are made in Germany and backed by a lifetime warranty. And this is what I like. They're meticulously made. They have a machine chamfer around the edge of the finish plates and flush countersunk screws. Feels nice and doesn't tear your clothes when it's in your pocket. Cards are thumbed forward here, which is a really satisfying and easy operation for ejecting the cards. Just one card or up to 20 are held with perfect tension in the card holder. That's because it has an adjustable elastic strap and stainless steel bolt design built into the inner frame. This is how you adjust it. Use the included screwdriver to remove the stainless steel Torx screws and remove the aluminium faceplate. With each bolt in its centermost position, you can store 1 to 7 cards, with one bolt outwards for a card capacity of 4 to 11 cards, and with both bolts outwards for 7 to 20 cards. On the reverse, a cash strap. You can specify an optional coin compartment and optional clip. The optional extra clip is available as a carbon fiber clip, 3D printed clip, or recycled plastic clip. I recommend a 3D printed clip like this one. You might just find one with your national flag. See how I find the carbon clip difficult to grab at versus the 3D printed clip, which is real easy to grab and lift up. And I'll show you the new AirTag Holding Cash Clip in a moment. Next up, what I thought would be my personal favourite. In fact, I configured this aluminium Aviator slide wallet exactly how I wanted to use it for my own personal use. The Aviator wallet slide features a coin holder and pull tab eject mechanism. I reviewed the carbon fiber version, which was extremely popular on the channel. I like it too, but I want my wallet to be something I can spot fast amongst the clutter when I need to pick it up to go out, so dark colours don't work for me. Electric Lime, however, is awesome. It looks like the original, but heavily reworked. By the way, hit subscribe for more videos like this one. Okay, you have the addition of a pull tab as an optional way to eject the cards. It retracts when you push the cards back in. It has an acrylic glass inner frame and movable steel bolts, again allowing for card tension adjustment if you want to fine-tune that. There's an additional adjustment for the length of the pull tab. Notice also that the original has its elastic track around the outside, whereas this one is worked into the outer plate, which keeps the cards and the outer plates better aligned. Best of all, flip it over and you have a tidily concealed coin compartment. You can get quite a few coins in the tray with its silent velour inlay, or a key, or anything else that fits. Here, mine is shown without the cash clip, which is how I thought I'd prefer to use it until I discovered the new AirTag Holding 3D printed clip, which brings me to our third and newest Aviator wallet. This is the Aviator One wallet paired with an AirTag Holding 3D cash clip. I reviewed the Aviator One already in a brushed silver aluminium. See the description for a link to that video or to the carbon slide wallet review. This colour is much more visually striking in galactic blue. The Aviator One wallet is similar to the Aviator Slide wallet, but with no coin tray, and this is for people that don't want the thumb slot. That's gone for better card privacy. Many new bank cards, however, are now completely blank on the front with no information or raised lettering, like this one. So you might prefer the extra functionality of the slide version. How fantastic does this look? This is the AirTag Holding 3D printed nylon cash clip in concrete grey, also available in black. The PA12 nylon is a thermoplastic known for its toughness, impact strength, and ability to flex without fracture. I like it because the finish is very tactile, making it again easy to grab and pull at to push my cash under. This is how you get your AirTag in here. No need to take it apart to slacken the strap. Just take all your cards out and you can lift it enough to push your AirTag in. The AirTag sits very comfy and securely. It's not coming out. I tried the 3D clip with the AirTag on the slide version, which I thought would be my favourite setup, but decided that the extra bulk of the AirTag holder plus a coin tray that I won't use very much didn't give me that minimalist feel that the newer Aviator 1 does. So my new favourite, the Aviator 1 with AirTag, I intend to use it as my everyday wallet. This wallet combo pushes all my geek buttons. The thickness of the wallets with just one card inserted and excluding any attached cash clips are as follows. I measured the original Aviator wallet at 5.7mm. I get 8.9 for the new Aviator 1 wallet. Hit like for me, I appreciate that, thanks. And the slide wallet with its integrated coin tray, still just 10.5mm.